Direct replacement. This console multifunction switch is made to match the fit and performance of the original switch on specific vehicle applications. Material, metal. Ideal solution. This switch is a reliable replacement for an original part that has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This console multifunction switch is designed to match the appearance and function of the original switch on specified applications. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance and durability. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Problem solved. I have a 98 terajoules. Since I live in Florida, the top is hardly on it. Because of that, certain things will fail due to the rain. My signal switch got to where I had to hold it in a specific position for the left signal to work. Dealt with it for about 2 years. Finally decided to fix it, and this part solved my problem.